Hi, my name is Satvik, and in this video, we're talking HomePod. So in case you didn't know, the regular HomePod, the big one, has been discontinued by Apple on their website. So no longer the big HomePod and only the HomePod mini. And the reason for this is because the HomePod had horrible sales, while the HomePod mini is doing amazing, even though it's only been released for less than a year. And a big reason of this is the price. So originally the HomePod came in at $350, but because of bad sales, it had been permanently cut to $300. Now even with the $300 price, a lot of people thought it was too expensive, therefore it had bad sales. So now Mark Gurman is saying that there's going to be something called a HomePod Hub, which is going to replace the HomePod in the lineup. The HomePod Hub, I expect, is going to come in around the same price, so $300. And this will compete against things like the Amazon Echo Show and the Nest Hub Max. So basically what this is going to be is sort of an iPad on a stick. So just imagine a HomePod, but an iPad stuck onto it. So it's going to have the amazing sound quality from the HomePod and HomePod mini, with hopefully a high quality screen in which you can do FaceTime calls, play music. This will be very interesting because the last time Apple had a $300 speaker was the HomePod, and that had horrible sales. So I'm thinking, is slapping a screen on it gonna make a big difference? Or do consumers still think $300, no matter how good it is, no matter how good the screen, is it worth it? And I think it's a no, but at least it'll be a bigger target audience than the regular HomePod. And because I couldn't think of anything else to fit in this video, we're talking about Microsoft in talks with Discord to buy it. So Microsoft, in case you didn't know, owns Skype. And in case you don't know what Skype is, it's because it's horrible. I mean, everyone used it up until Microsoft bought it and completely ruined it, in my opinion at least. And I use Discord personally a lot. I text a lot of my friends there. Really don't want Microsoft to buy it and then completely destroy it like they did Skype. So Microsoft, please, I'm begging you, if you buy it, do not ruin it. Just leave it how it is. But one of the main reasons I use Discord is because it has screen sharing. I stopped using FaceTime purely because it doesn't have screen sharing, and it's such a useful tool. Apple, if you're watching this, please add screen sharing. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.